Welcome back guys, Jack here at SPEC. We have another unboxing video for you today. Our partners over at Cat have been kind enough to send us the new Cat S42H Plus smartphone. We're going to take a look inside the box, take a look at the phone and see what's different than the regular Cat S42. Let's get right into it. So here we have the Cat S42H Plus smartphone. You will notice first off, it does just say S42. However, this sticker here is only on boxes that are the H Plus, Hygiene Plus specification. Now, if we take a look inside the box, we'll of course greet it with the phone first. Nicely placed inside the yellow and black box. Phone there. Underneath, you'll find your warranty manual and some quick start information in there, as well as a micro USB cable. Now, you may notice that there isn't a plug in the box this year. That's because Cat, with this model, are following suit with the likes of Apple and Samsung and not including a charger in the box for environmental concerns. Right, that covers it there. Let's move on to the phone itself. Those who are already up to speed on the Cat device range will notice the S42 already exists. However, the S42H Plus stands for Hygiene Plus. But what does that actually mean? It means the external components of this phone have been coated in a silver ion antimicrobial additive for exceptional germ defense. And if we pick apart that fancy language, it basically means it inhibits the spread of germs by 80% in 15 minutes and 99% in 24 hours. This device currently comes in at £239. You might be thinking, Jack, wait there, that's an extortionate amount of money for some fancy hygiene credentials. But don't worry, this is actually the essential work phone. What do I mean? Well, it comes with a 4,200 milliamp battery, which can last up to 2 days of usage. It comes with all the essentials, including NFC, Bluetooth 5.0 and dual band Wi-Fi. It has 32 gigabytes of internal memory and it can be extended with a micro SD card. It also has dual SIM capabilities. The display, well, it's a 5.5 inch HD Plus display, which can be used in full sunlight and whilst wearing gloves. And since it's a Cat phone, it has the leading rugged credentials, IP68 and IP69 credentials, as well as mil-spec 810H. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means it's been drop tested from 1.8 meters onto steel and could be submerged in 1.2 meters worth of depth for up to 35 minutes. And if that wasn't enough, it's also bleach and chemical resistant. Now that is £239. And if you're asking me, what else could you ask for? So that about covers it, guys. Thank you very, very much for watching. You can find more information on the Cat S42H Plus in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.